In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a profitable Shopify store in under 20 minutes so you can start making money from home, start getting sales, and be profitable with your business, be able to scale it up to more than $50,000 per month, just like this student from me that's doing 60 grand a month consistently over and over again. These are gonna be the foundations of results just like that. Stick around and watch the entire video so you know how to build a profitable store in 20 minutes. Let's go. And before we start, if you want to win an exclusive Shopify guide from $0 all the way up to $10,000 per day, all you have to do is comment automate down in the comments below. Subscribe, hit that notification bell and that like button, and I'll pick a winner from this video. The winner from the past video is Adriana Goring. Make sure to send me a message to win your guide. And if you want to work directly with me, for me to mentor you and your business and work with my direct team to help you scale your Shopify store up to the next level, make sure to click that first link in the description and schedule a free discovery call, or stick to the end of the video for the details. All right. First thing we're gonna do, and unlike all of the other tutorials out there that just show you go to shopify.com and make an account, what we're gonna do in this specific time period where you're watching this, you're gonna go to shopify.com/COVID-19, COVID 19, COVID response, obviously with the global pandemic that we are going through right now. Shopify is being great to merchants and being great to people that want to start a Shopify store. If you go down to the bottom here, it says extended 90-day free trial. That means instead of getting 14 days off or 14 days for free to start on Shopify, you get 3 full months, 90 days to start a Shopify store. So we're going to click on 90-day free trial. We're going to put the email address here, winnersecom.gmail.com. And for the password, I'm just going to put in a random password here. And the store name, we're just going to name it Winner Ecom or Winners Ecom. It's just a random name that I picked. You can always change this later with you when you start picking out products. We're going to do that in this video. When you start picking out products, niches, things that you want to sell, you can then change your store name later on. So create your store. Then you're going to be taken to the step-by-step that you need to do after creating your store. Then Shopify is going to ask you a couple of questions. Tell me about yourself. Are you already selling? What is your current revenue? We can just put this as skip since we don't really want to give that information or don't really want to take you to the steps. But you can always tell Shopify, I'm just playing around. I'm selling, just not online. I sell with a different system. Maybe you have a retail store and you want to sell online. How much are you making and which industry will you be operating in? If you don't know what to sell or what products to sell, then you don't need to put that. You just need to put skip and no, you're not developing a store for a client. Now you're gonna put your address and your name in here so they can actually give payouts to you. Depending on the country that you are, it's gonna format the language and the currency and everything. So I suggest putting your real address, no fake information, always real. I'm gonna put that real quick and we'll be back. All right, I put all my information. I'm taking to this particular page. It says your trial just started. Remember, it's a 90-day free trial that you have now. Get ready to sell online. And how our store looks like, if you click on the preview link here on online store, it's just gonna be the default theme that Shopify gives you. So it's just gonna look like that, a bunch of random images, a bunch of random text. Now we're gonna choose a theme for our Shopify store, a little structure to it to see what is the best to choose. All you have to do is go to online store, go click here on customize theme. Let's go to online store and then let's go to the themes section and you'll see online store is password protected. Once you choose a plan, after the 90 days, you will have to pay monthly. So if you choose that monthly plan, you will get your password removed. We'll do that in just a second. But right now, you have the debut theme. You also have other themes like Brooklyn. You have Venture. You have Boundless here on the top. Simple, Debut, which is the one that you currently have. You also have Supply, Narrative, Minimal, Brooklyn. The ones that I recommend, the ones that get the best results for my students right now are Debut, Venture, Narrative, and Brooklyn. So I know it's a lot of different themes. They're all for free, so you don't actually need to pay for one. What I recommend is if you don't really know which one to pick or don't know where to go, don't know what kind of products to sell, the easiest one to set up and the easiest one to build out is Debut. The second one is Brooklyn. So if you want a little bit more of a professional look to your website, you can choose Brooklyn. Or if you want a more of a simple look to your website, you can choose Debut. In this case, I'm not going to change it up. Just Debut is completely fine. Now let's go to what products we're going to sell, because the first thing that we're going to discuss in this video. We're going to add some products and then we're going to customize the store so it looks legitimate. So actually people can actually buy. Now, the 5 niches that I recommend for you to sell right now during this time period and during the next 3 to 6 months or even longer, we don't really know, are these 5 right here. Home cleaning, taking care of the home or home decor. A lot of people that have extra income or have some disposable income are investing in making the home cleaner. For example, buying humidifiers. Air humidifiers are selling like crazy. The aromatherapy niche is also selling like crazy. People are stuck at home. They're not doing anything. The house smells weird. The kids are around. They start making weird smells and they need those humidifiers. Also fitness, home fitness and health. That is absolutely exploding. Home gym is just going up and up and up. More people buying products like this. Obviously, they can't go to a gym, so they have to do it at home. Third of all, comfort, and specifically working from home comfort. This is a great niche. One of my students is doing really well at it. And for example, products that you can sell here are a cushion to sit on your seat when you're working at home. A lot of people from specifically tech companies are stuck at home, working from home 24/7. So they need something to give them comfort, maybe chairs, even, or products that can help them improve their posture correctors. It's a good product to sell now. The next one is essential products, like the ones that I've talked about here on the channel. Oximeters, nebulizers, things that help people when they're thinking about the coronavirus or they're thinking about getting their respiratory system working better. Those are good. At-home beauty and self-care. Those are also popping up really, really well. For example, hair cutters. For people that want to do their haircut at home, those sell like crazy. And it's just an overall niche that you could do really well in. So the best one that I recommend out of all of these, if you want to focus on something that has a lot of potential and also consistent potential after this whole pandemic ends, I would say home cleaning or taking care of the home and at home beauty, sorry. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose home cleaning for this one, or home improvement, let's say, in a way where it's just making sure the experience being at home is better. We're going to sell some humidifiers and some products that we can pick there. So what we can do is I'm just going to go for humidifiers and the aromatherapy niche, which is doing really well. So air humidifiers here. Air humidifiers. And you can see there's a lot of options on Aliexpress. Although I don't recommend specifically Aliexpress for fulfilling your products, it is great for importing your products and doing some research. So you can see there's a lot of products here, 1,000 orders, 6,000 orders almost. And you can have a lot of products that you can take inspiration on. If you want to learn how to fulfill these products and how to actually send them to your customers, do not use Aliexpress, but use the services that pop up right here in the eye icon. I explain all of the Aliexpress alternatives. It is important for you to know which ones they are. So now that we have these products right here, let's say we're selling humidifiers and products for comfort at home or for smell at home. Let's go to the apps section on our Shopify store before adding any products. Let's go to apps and then let's download an app called oberlo. Oberlo is kind of an Oberlo alternative. Oberlo is an app that you use to import products from Aliexpress to your store. Now we're going to use another app called oberlo. So oberlo helps us import products to our Shopify store so we can start selling them. They can also help in actually fulfilling the products really well. So add app, we're gonna add this app over to our store. It is free, so we can use it as much as possible. And a lot of my students use it very profitably and they do really well with this particular app. So I do recommend it. Install that app here. oberlo integrates the following advantages. So all of these, you can just click next and then find your invitation code. You don't really need an invitation code, you just have to start. So just start it. And we can upload a product very easily. You can either do it with the Chrome extension to do it a little bit faster. You just click on the oberlo Chrome extension, or you can look it up on Google, oberlo Chrome extension. And you can go to their particular app, Aliexpress product importer, and you can download this Chrome extension and just click import products straight from Aliexpress, or you can do it a little bit manually here and go to import Ali product on the left-hand side in your icon. And let's say we're gonna sell, this one has 1,200 orders. It looks like a solid product. Let's take that link and put it over in the oberlo section, Aliexpress URL, import, and it's gonna start importing the product straight from that URL. Import succeeded, import list here on the left-hand side. And now we have our product that we just imported here in the import list. We're gonna take it now to our Shopify store. And let's say we're gonna start selling this product, at least showing you how to build out the product page and the whole process. So it's here. What I recommend is keep your product names and your product titles very short, up to 5-6 words, or a little bit more if needed. So this one in particular is called an LED night lamp electric aromatherapy or aromatherapy diffuser. So we're gonna call it in this case the home fixer. Let's say the home fixer, night lamp, air or ultrasonic. That sounds like a good word, right? Ultrasonic humidifier. Let's call it that. Home fixer, night lamp, ultrasonic humidifier. Like that? Or should I change it? Let me know in the comments if I should change that. Let's push the store. And now we're going to send it over to our store. Import success. Your import list is empty. And now when we go to our particular store and we click on or refresh the store that we have, we're going to see that the product is somewhere over here. It's actually not here because we haven't added it to any collections. Sorry about that. You're going to go to the products and there you'll see it. So when you go to the actual product page, there you'll have the product. So here it is. Although the product description is not that good, we still have a decent product page or a decent product description that somebody would buy from us. Click add to cart and go and buy our product. Now we're going to fix up the actual product page. So this description is a little bit weird. What I suggest you do is you really spend a lot of time developing your product description and looking at competitor stores that have sold this product before, or trying to find other people that are selling humidifiers and see what kind of description they are doing now. Now that we're doing at a very fast pace, I'm just going to keep it very short. So what I recommend is doing one headline on the top. So for example, a lot of people are stuck at home and working from home and having their kids at home and the whole family at home, and it smells really bad. So what I can say is, for example, tired of your home smell, or tired of stuck at home smell. Let's put that. And tired of stuck at home smell. Let's just do tired of stuck at home smell. And let's put that as a headline here. In order to make it show really big on the top headline, you actually have to write it out again. So you can't just take an original one, change it into a heading. You have to delete it, and this one, show it as a heading 1. So you're gonna click on heading 1, and then you're gonna, I just clicked it, so I removed it. Click on it, tired of, and there we go, stuck at home smell. And let's remove this one. Save it, and then I'm going to show you the preview so you see what I mean. Saved, preview, and now it's going to show really big. Tired of stuck at home smell. So that one, we're actually going to do it on the center, so you can align it on the center there. And then we can do, say hello to your new best friend, the ultrasonic air humidifier. Let's do ultrasonic night lamp, air humidifier, night lamp, air humidifier. And then we're gonna do that as well in the middle. And let's save that. And we're gonna put a picture there. And then what I suggest you do is, I'm gonna keep it short, and I do have to do it under 20 minutes. So this particular product page, just write it in terms of doing image, paragraph, image, paragraph. So you do wanna give out more information about the product, more details about the product, check what your competitors are doing on the product page, and you build it out that way so the product page doesn't seem so weird. So it's tired of stuck at home smell. Say hello to your new best friend, the ultrasonic air humidifier. And here you have the product pictures. I highly suggest you do paragraph, picture, just in a way. I'm keeping it as short as I possibly can. Now that we have at least one product, what we're gonna do is create a product collection. So you're gonna go to products here, and then you're gonna click on collections, and you're gonna click a collection. Let's say this one is aromatherapy. Let's put create collection, aromatherapy. And let's do it on the top there, save that. What we're gonna do is you have to do product tag is equal to. So in this case, we're gonna do aroma. Product tag equals aroma, save that. And now we're gonna go back to our product page that we had before. Let's go to all products, product, and in the tag section, you're gonna add aroma to the tag section, aroma. And now we have a collection. What we're gonna do with that collection is every single product now that we add that has to do with aromatherapy or anything about humidifiers, you're gonna put aroma in the tags. It's gonna add it directly to your collection. And how you show that collection on your homepage is you go to the online store, you go to themes, debut, which is the one that we chose before, and we're gonna click on customize. So you click on customize theme, and now we're gonna go to the actual changing up how the page looks. I highly recommend you make as much effort as possible on your homepage, on your product pages, so they look legitimate, so you would actually buy from that store. In the one in the beginning, on the top one, since we're doing a store about home comfort or home cleaning, let's do the header, just the same thing, image with text overlay here. We're gonna explore free images, and you're gonna put home or family. Let's say what it looks like. Home. This one is actually great with the little this is actually a Alexa from Amazon. So that one's not that great. Or that one's actually pretty good. Select that. And you're going to change the image with text overlay. So you can say comfort at home, needed more than ever. Explore our wide range of home comfort products for your stuck at home time. Let's do stuck at home time. I'm gonna put that. That's not too bad. Obviously, think about this headline a lot. And then we're gonna do save here on the top left. And our store is starting to look pretty good, right? It's starting to look like a decent store. Let's go back. Now we have here this image with text. This section, you can just delete it. There's no point in having that one. So you can remove that one. Then the text columns here, there's not really a point as well to these ones. So you can remove this as well. Remove section. And now the feature collection, this one is important. So what I recommend is you just have a top banner or a top slideshow, a text that talks about what you're selling, and then the actual feature collection. So in feature collection, you can select a collection. We already created a collection, which is called the aromatherapy one. We're going to choose that, select, and now it's going to show all the products that we have in that particular collection. In this case, it's only the home fixer night lamp humidifier. We're going to click save again. And then in the bottom one, the image with text overlay, we can again add another image. We can keep it short as possible, or you can make more feature collections. So what you can actually do here is add a section, and you can do collection list. I do recommend adding this section because you'll have multiple collections in your store eventually. So you have, for example, aromatherapy, then you might have things for the home, for home decor, then you might have things, for example, for kids, for children products, and you want to show them off in your home page. So what I recommend here is this section with the different images. You don't really need that one, and there's just testimonials here. Once you have a lot of different customers and a lot of people buying from your store, then you can put these testimonials, but right now there's not really a point because you don't have customers yet. So later on you can do it, but remove that section for now. And we have image with text overlay. Then we have a gallery, which is these products here. We're going to remove that, and then we're going to add a section of that collection list. And we can put that one and add it onto the bottom, and then what we can do there is take that collection list and put it below the feature collection. So feature collection, then collections list. You can choose what collections they are. So in this case, I'm going to choose aromatherapy, but I can choose anything else. And then the other two collections, you can just create it the same way. Go to products, collections, create a new collection, and then do a product tag and add it to every single product that you use to create that collection. So not that hard. And then in the bottom, again, let's do the same process, image with text overlay. Let's explore here. And then let's do, for example, children, and maybe sell products for home comfort, home cleaning, things to clean around the home and help the kids. You can put, for example, a family. That's actually perfect. And let's do more family oriented. Family. Your family is our family. I like to use that one. Your family is our family. 2020 is the year to celebrate family love. Let's do that there, and let's save it up. And now our store looks decent to start selling, right? It's not quite ready yet. We do have to do a few more changes to the actual product page and actually start making money, but let's go to the home page. And let's go to the home page here. And it looks decent, right? From what we had before, which is just a little template, weird kind of looking. Now you just need to add 2 more collections. Looks a lot better, nice quality. If you go to the actual product, you can buy from it, start a stuck at home smell, say hello to your new best friend, and you have the product images right there to start showing off. Now, 2 extremely important things that you need to start doing now are reviews for your product page. Always make sure to add as best as possible images, and if you have images with a logo like this one, it might be a Chinese logo from that Aliexpress supplier, make sure to remove those. You can just go to fiverr.com and find somebody that will do Photoshop for your images. So image editing, and somebody might be able to just take that logo out and put your logo. And you can also get a logo from Fiverr. Like you can just put logo for Shopify. and you can do logo for Shopify, and then we'll also do a logo for you for very cheap. You can get one for about $5-10 for your store. You can upload it. Now, the other thing we're going to do, like I said, the reviews, go to apps, and then click on visit the Shopify store. There is multiple review apps. There is Luke's, there is Review, RYVIU, and then there is one called Judge.me. If you want to get a free one, you can do Review, and they have a free plan, Review, right here. Free plan available, and Judge.me as well. They're really good product reviews, really nice. You can add it, get a free plan from them. Now, in order to import products from this AliExpress page, which we have 52 reviews for 4.8 star rating, onto our product page, we're just going to go to AliExpress page and download the review, import reviews from AliExpress and Amazon. Make sure to click add to Chrome. Add this little extension to Chrome, and it's going to look like that. This one, this little star on the top right here on your Chrome desktop. Then you're going to go to your AliExpress page. You're going to click on this thing, enter product handle manually. Instead of that, you're going to go get product handle from your shop, and it's going to pull it up, get reviews. And now please wait a second, do not leave this. Saving, edit now. And you can also edit the review straight on review. So for example, there's a lot of these that it's a little bit weird. For example, this one might be from Russia. Very good little humidifier without tracking. That's okay. For example, you have some like this one from Slovakia that it can't be translated. It's just super weird and it doesn't make absolutely any sense. You can either delete it from your reviews or actually edit it here. So you can edit the actual content of the review for free. So that's something that Review offers you, is you can just click and edit it as much as you possibly want. The 32 reviews are already uploaded, and we can check on the product here. You can also load more reviews if there's more reviews, but these are all uploaded. Now we're going to go to our Shopify product page. Let's go to products here on Shopify. Go to the page, preview the page, and in the bottom section here, it's going to say, or in the top section, it's going to say 15 5-stars reviews. When you click on that, it's going to show you all the reviews from Review down in the bottom. So now you can make it a lot more legitimate. If you have images like this that show Chinese packaging, you probably want to remove those as much as you possibly can, and also remove anything that just looks very weird. So this is the one that we saw before. Edit it out, because that's going to trigger people off. It's going to really push customers off. So now we have an almost complete product page ready to start getting sales. And the last thing that we're going to do right now in this quick tutorial is go to the Shopify page, go to settings. And now, first of all, we're going to select the plan, because you do need to select a plan if you actually want to start getting sales on Shopify. So let's select a plan. And after the 90 days, so we have a 90-day free trial. On July 4th is when we're going to pay. So now it's April and we're going to pay in July. Choose the plan of $29 per month. You don't need more than that. And now we're going to add a credit card. I'm going to just pause real quick, add my credit card details, and then click Start Plan. All right, mission accomplished. My plan has already been chosen. Now, last two things before we go. You can add a domain. I highly recommend you add it to your, and a domain that has to do with your audience. So something about the home or homecomfort.com. For example, you can click here, buy a new domain. It's only $14, and I highly recommend it. It does increase your trust. So for example, we can do homecomfort.com. I don't think we can have that available, but we can do stay at home comfort. Let's say if we can find something like that. Stay at home comfort. So we found one. I highly recommend you research this properly and see what your competitors are naming it in order to choose the right one. But this one is the one that we're going to go for. Right now, you can click buy it and get that domain. Also, the last thing, click on settings. In order to actually accept money from your customers, you're going to go to payment providers on your Shopify store. And if you are from any of the countries like US, Europe, Australia, UK, and then a bunch of different countries, you can accept Shopify payments. If you are not, then I would recommend you to do PayPal. If you are just starting out, I recommend you do Shopify payments and PayPal. If you have problems with any of these payment processors, you can always click the I button right here. I give you Shopify payment alternatives and other payment methods that you can choose, and I actually use. So these are the two that you can set up. Go ahead and set them both up. You will need a PayPal business account in order to start accepting money. And now we are ready to actually start accepting money from our customers once we set that up. The reviews are done. The product description is a little bit done. I do recommend you perfect it a little bit more. And the last thing that I forgot here is actually changing the product price. So it costs us $8 or I think $6 from our supplier. Let's say $5 from our supplier. What I suggest you do is you add a little bit on, because you will have to pay for shipping. Maybe the product isn't that good quality, so you'll have to pay for a little bit more quality. So let's say $10, and we're gonna set the sale price at $29.99. So you just have to quickly set this up, $29.99, $29.99, $29.99, and save it.
Last thing real quick here that I forgot, make sure to remove the password on your store.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to online store here on the left hand side, then you're gonna go to disable password. Online store is password protected, disable. You're gonna go to the bottom, untick that enable password thingy, save it, and now you're done. Now you can sell. Now, my friends, that was the quickest tutorial that I could ever do, and it isn't even full. If you want a more full tutorial for this and you want to learn how to ship your products in less than 3 to 4 days, even during coronavirus right now, click the videos down in the description. You're going to see a section, more videos, and learn more about this. I do have a full 1.5 hour tutorial. This one is just 20 minutes, so you can get it cranking. Thank you for watching. Make sure to schedule a call down in the first link in the description if you want my direct help, if you want me to mentor you along with my team and help your business grow in 2020 and beyond, despite of any situations that are happening. We can turn you into a profitable student, just like the hundreds that we have in our private program. Make sure to click that first link down in the description, schedule the free strategy call, and I will see you on the call. Now that you know how to build out your Shopify store and actually get your product pages done, if you want to learn how to ship your products to your customers and actually send them over and fulfill the orders that you're going to get with advertising, make sure to check the video right there. How to get 2-day to 3-day shipping even during coronavirus. This video is absolutely exploding. A lot of people love it, and I put a lot of effort into that video. Go ahead and click it now. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit that like button, comment automate down below, and I will see you on a strategy call. Click the first link in the description and book your call, and I will see you there.